Hi, thank you for watching Andrew's Answers, and today this is going to be a fun one for me because I've been asked what grinds your gears. And I'll tell you what grinds my gears. It's the fact that when an insurance company approves you and then denies you, but that still the same evidence is present. So what do I mean by that? Sometimes in my videos I've talked about looking for the gold. While this issue grinds my gears, it's a great opportunity for me to look for the gold. So here's what I'm talking about. You've been on disability maybe for a number of years. Maybe you've successfully transitioned from the ONOC to the ENEOC. Again, that's own occupation and any occupation. You've made that transition, you've been getting benefits, and then out of the blue, you get a denial. Well, you're probably scratching your head because you're thinking, well, I satisfied the ONOC, I satisfied the ENEOC, and now I'm getting denied? What's happening? You're 100% right. That is some BS that your insurance company is coming up with, because I guarantee it, when I get a copy of the ERISA record or your claim file, and another way to put it, I'm probably going to find that the same exact evidence that they specifically relied on to find you disabled is still present. How is that not arbitrary? How is that not common sense illegal? To find someone disabled, but then just to work up more medical opinions to get the answer the insurance companies wants, that's what grinds my gears. But at the same time, that's what allows me to find gold, to throw that evidence right back in the insurance company's face and say, hey, you approved this person because they were disabled because of X, Y, and Z. Well, here's X, Y, and Z, and it's still present now. Reinstate their benefits. That's my answer. Thank you for watching.